Hello and welcome to Amy's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna try to cook an international recipe, a French recipe, which is chicken cutlets. Let's get started! Using a rolling pin, flatten the chicken breast. Season the chicken breast with salt and pepper. Chop the parsley and mix it with the egg mixture. Then pour the mixture on the chicken breast. Let the chicken breast sit in the egg mixture for about 2 minutes. In a container, put 30 grams of flour. Then, roll each half breast on the flour to cover it. In a pan, put some oil and then fry the chicken breast quickly. Melt a little butter on the pan. Then add the minced garlic. Pour 100 ml white wine. Add the lemon rind. Also the chopped parsley. Then place the chicken breast. Simmer it for 15 minutes. Now it's ready. So let's give it a try. It's good. A little bitter because of the lemon rind, and also it smells strong, the garlic. For adults, they will really love this, but for the young ones, the little ones, maybe they will not like this because of garlic and also the lemon rind. But for sure, this is a good recipe. Well, chicken is tender, very tender, and it's good for the health because it's lean meat. And but the taste of the garlic is strong, a little bit strong, and also the lemon rind and also parsley. But I really love this recipe. This is what I did to the left egg mixture. I got 2 small eggplants, then I sliced them, seasoned with salt, then I immersed them in the egg mixture. I added also chopped parsley, then I covered each slice of eggplant with breadcrumbs. Then I fried them. So you try it once in a while, an international dish. All right? So see you next time. Bye.